This lesson is part of our 5th grade social studies unit, Our Government. After watching the slide presentation, you will take a quiz over what you learn. There are 3 learning goals for this lesson. The first is to be able to name the 3 branches of government. Second, you will be able to identify the key positions of each of the 3 branches. Also, you will be able to identify the basic powers of each of the 3 branches. This slide shows the 3 branches of government as well as who heads each branch. One branch is the executive branch, which is headed by the president. Another branch is the judicial branch, which is headed by the Supreme Court. The third branch is the legislative branch, which is headed by Congress. The arrows pointing in both directions remind us that each branch has its own separate responsibilities and that each branch has power to limit the power of the other 2 branches. This prevents any one branch from becoming too powerful, which is also known as a system of checks and balances. Let's look a little closer at the executive branch. Remember, the executive branch is headed by the president. The responsibilities of the executive branch include signing laws and vetoing laws. The executive branch also has the power to pardon people convicted of federal crimes and to appoint federal judges. The vice president and the president's cabinet also are part of the executive branch under the president. The cabinet includes people who advise the president. The members of the cabinet are nominated by the president and must be approved by a majority of the Senate, which requires 51 of 100 votes. The legislative branch is headed by Congress. Remember, Congress is made up of 2 parts, the Senate and the House of Representatives. The Senate has 2 representatives from each state, giving each state equal representation. The House of Representatives has representatives based on the population of each state. So states with more people have more representatives. The main responsibility of the legislative branch is to make laws. They also have to approve presidential appointments. The judicial branch is headed by the Supreme Court. There are 9 justices on the Supreme Court. Supreme Court justices are nominated by the president and must be approved by the majority of the Senate. Once Supreme Court justices are sworn in, they keep their position on the court for life. The Supreme Court's main responsibility is to decide if laws are constitutional. As the highest court in our nation, they can overturn rulings by other justices. Let's check our learning target. For each question, the answer is one of the 3 branches of government. Number 1, which branch of government is headed by the president? The correct answer is A, the executive branch. Number 2, which branch has the power to decide if laws are constitutional? The correct answer is B, the judicial branch. Number 3, which branch is headed by Congress? The correct answer is C, the legislative branch. Number 4, which branch has the power to make new laws? The correct answer is C, the legislative branch. Number 5, which branch is headed by the Supreme Court? The correct answer is B, the judicial branch. If you want to review this information before taking the quiz, press the arrow to replay. If you are ready for the quiz, select Next.